up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. As you can see in this video, I'm going to be showing you this glueless wig that I received from Victoria's Wigs. This wig came a long way from the beginning of this video and what you saw, because it is kinky curly, and although I love how beautiful the kinks and the curls are, I wanted to just show you what the hair would look like straightened, because I do know kinky straight hair could be a lot for most people, because most people don't like big hair, and I can definitely say that I'm one of those people that love big hair. So I'm big hair friendly. I don't mind how the wig looked in the beginning. I would definitely go outside like that. Maybe not right now because it's hot. However, I would definitely rock that wig in its natural state. So I'm just gonna get into the specs of this wig. This wig again is from Victoria's Wig. I have in a 13x6 lace. So as you can see, you get plenty of parting area. So it's a 13x6, so 13 this way, 6 inches this way. And this is a lace front wig. Again, it's in kinky straight texture. The color is in a natural black texture, and it is in 18 inches. The lace is definitely HD. However, on me, it's not HD. And I think the only reason why it's not is because of the simple fact that it was in a different color than my skin tone. So that was the reason why I don't really feel like, you know, the lace is actually HD. As you can see, I love the packaging of the wig. I love how they gave you basically like a to-go pack with your comb, your tweezers, your edge wrap if you were to actually pull this out and do baby hairs. They gave you the makeup brush for you to put the powder down your parting area. They gave you the rat tail comb, because we all know that a rat tail comb is the go-to when you're doing hair. And they also gave, what else did they give? They gave stocking caps as well, the wig caps that you would put on your hair. As you can see in the beginning of the video, that was a fail for me. It didn't mesh well with my skin complexion. It was way too light, and then when I put my powder on top of it, to me, it still didn't give me what I was looking for. So that's the reason why you saw me take it off. And as you can see, you can't even really tell that I don't even have one on. And that's what I love about it as well, is that you really can't even tell that I don't have on a wig cap. So you don't really need it. If you don't want to wear it, you don't need it. I try to get it as straight as possible, but what I love about this is that even if you don't get it as straight, it mimics natural hair. Like, it really mimics natural hair. The fullness, the thickness of it, the luster and the texture of it. I am getting some shedding, so I just want to make you aware of that. We're already bleached, so that this wig is definitely going to be beginners friendly, because you really don't have to do too much to it besides styling. And I showed you all of the products that I use to style it. So for any beginner, this is definitely something that you want to have in your wig closet. Now, as you can see as well, this is glueless. So I did make this glueless. I didn't want to put any glue on it with the glueless method by using what the company already put inside of the wig cap. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, it does come with, I believe, 3 wig combs as well as an elastic band. And that's what I did. I just made the elastic band fit a little snug and a little tight so that it pulls the actual lace flat down on my head. Average size cap is a 22 inch, and that's pretty much the average size head is a 22 inch circumference. And I believe this wig is made with the 22 inch circumference. So with me having the 23 inch circumference, of course the wig is too small for me, and I just need another inch for me to be able to pull it all the way up for it to fit around the perimeter of my head. I don't really have it pulled all the way down in the back, because again, it is a little too small. You just want to make sure you're taking that into consideration when you're purchasing wigs, because of course they make them in different sizes. It's just like clothes, like everything's in different sizing. So you just want to pay attention to that. What am I skipping out on? Definitely want to be one of my go-to wigs because of how natural it looks, the luster and the texture of it. I mean, I might not tell nobody, and people really probably gonna think that I got my hair straightened. Like, I'm gonna pop a video right here so y'all can see what it looked like with my hair straightened, and you tell me what the difference is, because I don't see the difference. Like, if I came up to the camera like this, y'all wouldn't even know that this was a wig. I do have a 10% off discount code, so if you would like to have 10% off of your order, it is Key10 to save 10% off, as well as you share your images on Facebook and Instagram and you tag them, they will give you $15 off. But 10% off, $15 off, do not waste that. Definitely make sure that if you do purchase this wig that you do that so you can get the most bang for your buck. Like, so if you are interested in this wig, I'm gonna put all of the information down in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.